Hello everyone, my name is Carl C.C. Bem. I'm going to narrate a video for you where cops were sent out to have me killed and tried to kill me. I was getting out of my car. The video you're going to watch shows me getting out of my car, my wife talking. She's holding the video camera. She's not very good at it, so give her some credit. And she's freaking out a little bit. I get out of my car, I open up the gate, I swing the gate open. It's my property, it's nobody else's. I have security cameras on my property. They're not voice activated, they're just video. You're going to see where I asked the cop to show proof that I have a warrant for my arrest when my wife and I checked it out and there was no warrant. They waited till 5 o'clock Friday to issue a warrant to have me arrested that afternoon. Okay? You'll see them holding guns on me. You'll see them grab a hold of me, throw me to the ground. If you listen real carefully, you might be able to hear the cop say before he hits me in the back of the neck with his fist, that, "Bem, you have no rights." And then he slugs me. And it's done really fast. You must watch it. You'll see where his whole body is up over towards the neck, this level up here. He takes my hand, puts it round behind my back, puts his knee in the base of my neck here, forcing his body weight down on me twice. He's too far up on my body. You can see that on video. They pick me up. They're over there talking about taking the video out of my wife's hand, and if not, they were going to hurt her. So I told those two pigs, if you touch my wife, I will be out of jail. There's no place on this planet you're going to hide, because I've given my word under God when I married my wife that nobody's going to hurt her. I will protect her. Needless to say, they know me pretty well not to push my buttons too far, because I have no problem dying whatsoever. I've given my soul to God, and I don't fear death, but they do. Anyway, you'll see them put me into the cop car, and that's it. The second video you watch will be the police officer that power drived his fist and hit me in the neck and his knees on my neck trying to break it. 3 times they tried that same day. You'll see him talking to my wife. Now this police officer, I have tried to get the sheriff's department to file charges on him for excessive force, assault and battery, attempted murder, conspiracy to commit murder, trespassing, falsifying, failure to show documentation. Okay? Now, I've represented myself as my own attorney several times in court because I had to. I have a record of charges, a lot of felony charges, that I've represented myself and kicked their fucking ass in court. Okay? I'm not a lawyer. I'm not a bar card holding attorney. I just have this thing called common sense. And I do my paperwork and I do my... Anyway, I'm pretty freaking good at it. So I beat the state attorney's ass 9 times in a row. It took... Well, anyway, I'm jumping to conclusions. Let's go back. So anyway, this cop's talking to my wife, right? On the far right side of her, if you look at the camera to the right, it's not for a long time, you'll see his partner, who was on the right side of me after I was on the ground, taking video of my wife taking video of them. Now, the third cop with the mustache that's gray, with the gray hair, FBI, remember I talked to you about that person? You need to go see that person. Okay? That's the person. I'll just leave it at that. Anyway, it takes 2 or more people to conspire to commit murder. That gray-haired bastard in the back doesn't like me whatsoever. I'm pretty sure he told his officers, kill Bem, or at least he's part of it. Now, from what I can gather, is Judge Scott DuPont was in on it, a judge that I went after, for falsifying documentation, creating the law as he sees fit in court, violating people's civil rights, not allowing them to have legal counsel, including me, when he tried to take away my firearms totally, but I'm not a felon. That's during a domestic violence. Didn't allow me to have a lawyer. So, Judge Scott DuPont went out and also changed dockets, threatened people that did stenography. I can prove that. Took away court records and changed them. On me, on my last court case, he did that. Falsified evidence. Took a bribe from my brother Chuck. And I can turn state's evidence in a heartbeat, but nobody wants me to be a witness. I don't understand. So in 2006, I ran for governor of the state of Florida, won the election, wasn't allowed in office, with 28.8% of the votes. I'm jumping the gun right now. We'll do that on another video. Explain to you and show you all the things I was charged with and how many times I kick the state attorney's ass. And I enjoyed it. I've never sued them. Well, I'm fixing to now. I've had enough. Now I got to figure out how to sue. But anyway, watch the video, ladies and gentlemen. Tell me what you think. I want to know. I'm running for governor of the state of Florida for 2018 as a no-party affiliate, because I'm the one who got that on the ballot in 2006. And later I'm going to turn into a Confederate party. Okay? I'm going to see how many supporters I have first. By the way, I'm also building a Confederate Army. I have 3.2 million bikers and friends. See? Blue Hill Saloon? I like it. And I'm not going to let Daytona Beach destroy it by removing Bike Week like they've talked about removing for the last 5 years. Now it's down to 3 years. They're going to have it removed over my dead fucking body. I speak for all the bikers, whether they know it or not. Thank you. I'm Carl C.C. Bim. Tell me what you think. Bye-bye.